My shining knight for the month of October is Riley Martin. Riley is a conscientious and hardworking student who is always respectful of others. Thank you so much, Riley.
This month in 8L, we have two shining knights. First, Neela LaFond, thank you for being a welcoming and helping Helene Taylor Knight. This month, your helpful nature makes things easier for those around you. Thank you for your excitement and positive attitude about your learning. Thank you for a great month. Congratulations. The second shining knight for 8L is Jordan Flayton. Thank you for sharing your inquisitive and thoughtful mind this month, both in class and out. Your willingness to share your ideas and ask excellent questions creates amazing learning opportunities for 8L. Amazing work. Have a great month.
Congratulations to 7W's improv champion, Bree Henry. At the drop of a hat, she is ready to take on any role with the appropriate accent attached to it, no less. You've had a fantastic start to the year. Keep up the great work.
7C's shining knight is Jaden Linden, who did not start the year in 7C, but you would never know it. He's worked diligently to catch up, and he continually demonstrates a positive attitude towards students and staff.
Austin, you were 6F shining knight this month for your caring attitude, your willingness to learn, and the effort that you've been putting into all of your work. Keep hugging along.
I really appreciate how hard Cadence Johnson has worked this month. She's far more focused and it's really paying off in class. Congratulations, Cadence, on being 6H's shining knight for October.
Hi guys. Grade 5 has 3 shining knights this month, starting with Scott McKenzie. Scott is always willing to face a challenge when it comes his way. He gets along with everyone and always likes to help out. So thanks for that. Great job, Scotty boy. And next is Leah Paschke. She's a diligent student and a supportive classmate, always with a positive attitude. So thanks for that. And third on our list is Tennille Russell, a very talented person, just creative mind with unique ideas and just a gentle, kind, polite, considerate person. Thank you.
Congratulations to Maxon Burns. Maxon is 4L's shining knight because he never stops smiling. We really appreciate his positive attitude